Indraprastha Gas has reported its second quarter earnings, and that just happened yesterday, and seemingly steady as she goes. We've got the company's management here, and Somit Sarkar, who tracks the space closely, will drive that conversation. Somit, over to you.
Thank you, Alex. Now we are joined by the Managing Director of Indraprastha Gas, E.S. Ranganathan. Mr. Ranganathan, good afternoon. In the second quarter, your EBITDA per standard cubic meter declined to 5.9 rupees. What were the reasons for the same?
Yeah, actually, EBITDA, we are, targeting something between 5.5 and 6. So this quarter, we were delayed. We were a bit late in including the effect of GST in the cost by around 20-25 days. That's why the EBITDA has come down.
What is the kind of EBITDA per SCM that your investors can expect in the second half of financial year 2018?
Yeah, it will be in the same range, between 5.8 and 6.
What was the impact of GST in the second quarter?
No, when the GST comes, we don't get input credit for whatever GST we pay for our equipments as well as gas and transportation charges. So that has an impact on the cost of operations. So we have passed on the cost to the customers, but we were a bit delayed by 25 days.
So what was the financial impact of this delay?
Something around 12 to 14 crores.
So in the second quarter, your total volume growth was healthy compared to last quarter, but surprisingly in this quarter, PNG volumes grew at a faster rate on a Q-on-Q basis if you see. So do you expect similar trend going forward?
Yes, actually the industrial sales has been good, and we going forward because of the Supreme Court banning petcoke and furnace oil, we expect to contact, get more industries into the gas fold. We are in touch with at least 120 industrial concerns, and we expect to bring all of them on board by end of this year.
At what rate are you expecting the industrial and commercial demand to grow?
Total potential demand is for the extra new consumers is around 100,000 SCM per day. So that will be something like, adding to the 500,000 that we are doing now.
How much incremental demand would come in from addition of new areas like Gurugram, Rewari?
Yeah, we expect addition of around 100,000 in Rewari once we commission our pipeline by end of this month, and then we will start operations. The first stations will start operating in Gurugram and Karnal also in the Q4.
You're also looking to buy out your JV stake in Central UP Gas and Maharashtra Natural Gas. By when do you intend to complete these acquisitions, and by how much your incremental volume would go up from these acquisitions?
We are in touch with the promoters, and right now the way they are going in the next 5 years, MNGL and CUGL should touch combined volume of around 1.6 million.
By when do you intend to complete these acquisitions?
It depends. I cannot give a definite date right now, but we will definitely do CUGL first, and then we will go for the MNGL in the next year maybe.
Thank you, Mr. Ranganathan. That would be all. Thank you for speaking to BloombergQuint.